So here's the thing, this is everything I own by COCO EVE at the moment. I have tried more things, and even though COCO EVE has never sponsored one of my videos, no, this is not a sponsored, they do send me things quite regularly. So I have had the opportunity to try pretty much everything they do. I haven't tried everything, but I decided that I am going to give you an honest review on all the products I have tried. Okay, let's start with the fake tan things that I have tried. I'm sorry if I look a little bit rough. I just came back from the gym and I didn't want to spend a lot of time thinking about this video. I just wanted to give you my honest review. This is the face tan. I am very pale, but I do have melasma, so I don't get tan in the sun. I run away from the sun. And this is what I use to tan my face. I just mix it in with a little bit of face cream. It has always worked perfectly. I have super reactive skin. This has never made me react. I absolutely love the scent. The scent of everything in COCO EVE is probably one of the things that I love the most. However, I do know that a lot of people react to fragrance. So if that's you, this is probably not for you. Pretty much everything has fragrance. I think there's just one thing that doesn't have, but they're kind of known by their beautiful scents. I have never gotten a patchy fake tan in my face. I have a little bit on right now, but not too much clearly. But this is definitely something that I would recommend. It's pretty much the only face tan that I use, and I have only used that since I got it. Next, the fake tan. This is my favorite tan. The other one that I really like is the loving tan one, this one, and probably what's the Bondi Sands, something like that. I do love this one. I love the smell. I think it's one of the only fake tans that doesn't smell too bad. It does have that fake tan smelly, I have to say, but, and we've been in winter here, so I haven't used this in the past year. I tried to use it last week because I had an event and I was like, oh, perfect, I'm going to tan. And this is full, by the way, and this is the ultra dark. And I don't know why, you guys, my skin was green. Like I put it on and it was green. And I was like, I can't remember if this was supposed to be green and then it turns into brown. I have no idea. I decided to take it off pretty much immediately, and my skin was tinted green. So I do love this fake tan. It is my favorite one, but once you open it, you're only supposed to use it after 6 months. It's been probably over a year and I was going to use it, so that is my bad. Do not use it if it's very old. The green tint that it has, which is what makes it so good, something happens and it turns green and it stains your skin green. I already did that for you. Don't do that. We should probably move into hair because I have pretty much everything is hair, but I have tried some of their skincare and I actually really liked it. I tried the sunscreen and I love that. They have a really good sunscreen. Didn't break me out. It wasn't thick at all. It was great under makeup. I think it's actually a primer. I would recommend that sunscreen. To be honest, I have tried so many sunscreens because of my melasma, and even though it feels really good and I feel it is really nice, and if you have the budget, go ahead 100%. I don't think you are going to regret it. I do recommend it, but it's not the one that I use right now. I know that I tried the body butter. I would only use it to sleep though, because it was a pretty potent smell. A little bit too much for me, I have to say, even though I like the smell, it smells delicious. It's a little bit too much. Like, I think if you're younger and you like that kind of like sweet, really sweet scent, you're going to love that because it smells delicious. But I am not, even if you love the Sol de Janeiro kind of smell, like I think you would really enjoy that. On my end, I think that's a little bit too much for me right now. Like, I enjoy it for a little bit, but then all of my pajamas would wear like that, smell like that. I'm not really in love with body butters. I like things that spread really easy, that absorb really easily. I don't like that sticky feeling of having something really thick in your skin. So even though I used it completely and I really liked it, I would not purchase that again. I would not purchase it, but I wouldn't purchase body butters in general. I do have a code with them where you can get 20% off, 15% off, something like that. And I'm pretty sure they're going to have a Black Friday sale, something like that. So definitely use that and you can try everything that you want. I love this brand, to be honest. I don't love every single product, but the things that I love, I am a die-hard fan. Let's move on to my favorite collection of all of them, and it is the Like a Virgin, COCO EVE Like a Virgin shampoo and conditioner. They are really good. I really like them. I don't have the shampoo with me because I already finished that and throw away the packaging, and this one is empty as well. I don't use a lot of conditioner because I prefer to swap my conditioner with a hair mask. So I struggle to finish up my conditioners, but this is already empty. They do have a clarifying shampoo, and I love this clarifying shampoo. You do feel that your scalp is really clean. Your hair is like, it doesn't have a residue or anything, but it's not as harsh on the hair. I find that the Away one, for example, was so drying for my hair. It was just like, it didn't feel nice afterwards, where this, it feels really clean, but it doesn't feel as harsh on the hair, which I know clarifying shampoos are harsher, and I don't mind that, but this one is a little bit gentler, and I don't know, it feels a little bit better on my hair. So I really like this, and I think this is going to be my clarifying shampoo forever, unless one of the ones that I'm going to show you later acts a little bit like this, which I suspect it will, and we'll see. I'll show you in a second. Now let's move on to the hair mask. If you're taking one thing from this video, is this hair mask. I promise you, I don't need another hair mask in my life ever. I always go back to this. They have sent me a lot of these, but I have also purchased so many of these myself. So much so that when they send me products, actually I always ask for this, and they're like, no, we don't have it or whatever. So they want me to try different things, and I'm like, no, I just want this. Like, from the smell, it's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It's not too much. It's just perfection. My hair absolutely loves this hair mask. If you are ever going to buy anything from them, get this. Get this and try this. If you have dry hair, bleach that is damaged, like, this is the one that you want to try, okay? Try it out. And I'm going to move on with hair masks since we're here. We still have a little bit of this collection to go, but I'm just going to go a little bit faster. This one I already finished. This is an empty one. This one is the Sweet Repair one. I thought I was really going to love this because when I read what it does, it's supposed to be exactly what I need, but I didn't feel like it was doing enough, not like this one. Maybe if you feel that this is too heavy for you, I don't think it's heavy at all, but if you think that this is too much and you need less hydration, then try this out because you might really like it. But for me, I feel I need a little bit more, and that's why I love this one over this one. I have used the whole thing. I don't know, I just thought it wasn't as good as this one. It's not bad, it's just not as great as this one. So if I have to choose, definitely that one. Then I have this one, which is the Youth Revive one. So this one is this is new for me because I didn't know that. It is actually a hair and scalp mask. So it's not only about your ends, it's about your scalp. And you guys, I don't know if I talk about that a lot in this channel, but definitely in my Spanish channel, everything about my hair is about the scalp. And I know that if you really take care of your scalp, you are going to have great hair. However, I haven't tried this hair mask. I was actually using up this one, and when I finished that one, I just wanted to go again with one that I really loved and then move on to this one. But a friend of mine actually bought it and she really likes it, and she told me it was a scalp mask. So now I'm very, very curious. I did try the shampoo and the conditioner in the Youth Revive collection. Didn't love them, didn't think that they were doing anything really to my hair. I was really looking forward to the honey part of it, and I just don't think it did anything. This is not the one that I would go for. Not this one, sorry. The shampoo and the conditioner, I wouldn't buy those, honestly. I would stick with the Like a Virgin ones, same as the Sweet Repair I am almost done with the shampoo. I haven't started the conditioner because I was finishing up this one, and because I told you I don't use a lot of conditioner, I prefer a mask. But because the mask didn't do a lot for me, I'm thinking that this is not going to do as much either. I can't say that for sure because I haven't tried it. Usually when the mask is really, really great, the conditioner tends to be, I'm not gonna say watered down, but it is kind of like a similar version to the mask. It does similar things. And I do think, for example, that this conditioner is really, really great. If you don't want to go all the way to the mask, definitely the conditioner is the trial version of the hair mask. Like, it does similar things. It feels a little bit similar. And for me, this wasn't enough. It's not bad. My hair does like it. It looks great, but it's not enough. It doesn't feel afterwards like I want my hair to feel. So I am going to try this and use it all up, but I'm not really expecting a lot from it just because if the mask wasn't enough for me, I don't think the conditioner will do the same either. Now let's move on to styling because I have two products on styling. I have the leave-in conditioner, hydrating and detangling leave-in conditioner. I do like this. I like it when I leave my hair air dry. It doesn't, I don't know, change my life. I do like it. I do use it. If I use it when I am blow drying my hair, I don't love it as much. I think my hair tends to go fluffy very quickly. I use this as well when I'm going to the gym, for example, and I just want to add, I don't want to go for a full hair mask, but I do add a little bit of the leave-in conditioner, and it helps my hair to make it easier for me to detangle in the shower if I'm going to wash it after. If you're only going to buy one thing, this is not the one that I would go for. But in the other hand, I have these Like a Virgin Miracle Hair Elixir. I have gone through so many of these. I absolutely love this hair oil. It's not really an oil, it's they call it an elixir, but it's kind of a serumy oil. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It protects your hair from heat. I use this a lot, pretty much every single day before and after I am hairstyling. I already have a backup when this one is finished because it's pretty much gone, and this is not my first bottle. I have used at least 1 or 2 of these already, and you can see how big this is. This is like 30 mils, I think, 100 mils. So like, this is a lot of hair oil if you know like how much oil do you use in your hair. And I have gone through so many of these. I absolutely love this stuff and I would always recommend it. These favorites. Oh, and I forgot to say, I also have this hair brush thing that there's a set that comes these two together. I would say don't bother, just get this one. And I also have the towel. This one I absolutely adore. It's really, really fluffy. It absorbs all of the water in my hair. It doesn't leave my hair fluffy, and I just absolutely love it. And I really want to get more of these because I thought it was going to be like a normal towel, and it's not. I actually really like it. Another thing I have tried is this bond repair treatment, bond building pre-shampoo treatment. I have tried it. I didn't see a lot of difference, but I wasn't really consistent with it just because it is a pre-shampoo treatment and I always forget to use it. Every time I see it, I'm already in the shower, like washing my hair. So I have to be a little bit more consistent so I can give you an actual review in this one. You have to be consistent. It's not a magic thing. Same goes for this one. This one I haven't tried. This I just got actually from them, the whole collection, the shampoo, the conditioner. I don't know if they have a hair mask. I just got the shampoo and the conditioner, and this is the Boost Therapy, and this is a tripeptide hair density serum, which I'm really excited about. It is a clinically tested formula with no added fragrance, promoting appearance of denser hair. So I'm going to find, maybe in my hairline or something like that, maybe around here, find a spot where I can actually try it out and see if it works, because I know a lot of you have problems with that. I know for sure that my husband would love love for this to work. It looks so cute, and if it does work, I am definitely going to let you know. But these are the products that I actually wanted to share with you today. These are the Boost Therapy shampoo and conditioner. And remember I told you about the clarifying shampoos. I find that a lot of the shampoos that are made for volume are actually really great as clarifying shampoos. They're not so like that. And I have a theory that these I'm going to love. I haven't tried them. I'm going to use them today. We'll absolutely let you know at the end of the video. It says that it's for fine and thinning hair. I know I haven't been uploading a lot lately. However, don't forget that in my Spanish channel, I am uploading consistently, and I have made the effort of always adding English subtitles in case you wanna go and have a look and keep up with all the content. If I haven't uploaded anything here, you just go there and watch the video with subtitles if you don't mind that. Let me know if there's a product you want me to try, or if there's any specific question you have on any of these products. Again, this is not a sponsored video. A lot of them have been a gift from COCO EVE. I just want to be transparent with that. A few of them I have actually bought myself. I do spend money in this brand, and that is why I recommend it. I would never recommend something that I just get for free, and I would not spend my own money on it, if that makes sense. I just finished my shower and I tried the Volume Boost, the blue ones. My hair feels very soft. I use the Like a Virgin hair mask at the end because I don't think the hair conditioner is very strong, which makes complete sense. I think this line is going to be amazing if you have oily hair, or if you have very fine hair, or hair that is virgin, that you don't have a lot of damage, and sometimes hydrating shampoos and all of that can be a little bit too heavy for you. I think you're really going to enjoy these line. I do feel my hair very clean, but it doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel rough, which I am very happy about. So now I'm going to dry it, and we're going to see if there's some difference, something that I can see right now. Guys, it is like weirdly soft. My hair is a lot of things, but I don't know if soft is one of the words I would normally describe it, but I can't stop touching it. Look, and it's like really clean as well. Okay, look at my hair. Approved. Oh my god, approved. I still need to do this side, but what? It looks beautiful and it feels amazing. I didn't use the treatment because I do think you need to do that with clean hair and do it for, you know, like consistently. I am absolutely in shock and obsessed with this result. The softness of my hair, I was not expecting that. I'm going to link obviously all of the products in my description, and everything that I use, in which order, everything I'm going to link down below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!